So I'm back again with another super yummy Onam recipe. This is not something that you usually do for lunch and dinner and everything. It's done on special occasions, festivals, Onam, Vishu, etc. It's called Olan. Okay, it's a very easy and simple dish with minimum ingredients. The main item is white pumpkin, bella pushnika, then black-eyed peas or cow peas. Just soak it for 6 to 8 hours and cook it for 2-3 whistles. Not very mushy, just it should be full. So 2-3 whistles will do. Then coconut milk, curry leaves, and then some green chilies. That's all. Just 5 ingredients and of course salt. So just with this minimum ingredients, a super yummy, delicious item. It's called Olan again. It's almost like a stew. So let's start cooking. Okay, so first I cut the pumpkins into medium sized pieces like this, and then I added 5-6 green chilies, a bunch of curry leaves, and 1 cup thin coconut milk. I'm going to let the pumpkins cook in the coconut milk for 10 minutes. It will be 3/4 done by then, and then I'll add the cooked peas, the black-eyed peas, to this. I soaked the peas for 6 hours and then I pressure cooked it for 2 whistles. When this pumpkin is 3/4 done, I'll add the cooked black-eyed peas to this and cook for another 5 more minutes. This is not like sambar, it's not a main item, but it's a side dish like your avial. It's super yummy. It has a really different flavor, the coconut milk and the green chilies. It's really flavorful. You have to try this. So when it's all done, finally I'll add the salt and then a little bit more curry leaves, and then I'll switch off the flame and add half cup thick coconut milk. Make sure to switch off the flame before you add thick coconut milk. There is no tadka for this item, so you just have to add 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut oil in the end. No tadka, just 2 tablespoons coconut oil finally on top like this. And you have this super addipoli Olan. Sir, നമ്മുടെ ലഞ്ച് റെഡിയായി. നല്ല ചൂട് ചോറ്, പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ഓലൻ, കോവക്ക മെഴുക്ക് വരട്ടി, പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ചിക്കൻ. സോ ലഞ്ച് അങ്ങനെ റെഡിയായി. ഹാവ് എ ലവ്ലി വീക്കെൻഡ്.